Well, I'm truly lucky to live in the Portland, Oregon area where we have some of the best vintage resellers out there. And 4 of them are having a wonderful pop-up today, and I'm so excited to attend with my friend Sarah. I totally bought that pillow. It's amazing. This Thrifting is Life is from Andi from All Put Together. I'll put a link to her YouTube channel on here in the description down below. These vintage dealers really know what looks great. They're so up to date in the latest decor trends. Well, if you've watched my channel, then you know that I'm quite the owl girl. This guy was amazing. And hello, monkey pod anyone? Look at all this beautifulness. Some cool Otakari owls. There's Andi. Hi, Andi. And Courtney from Poppy and Dale Vintage. Look, you can tell I got some stuff. Now it's time for lunch. Sarah and I went to a McMenamin's Pub, which is a chain of restaurants in our area, and we had a couple beers and some delicious sandwiches, and then Andi told us to go to Village Merchants to check out this amazing thrift store. I can't even tell you. It's the best. Totally the best. Check out this fun little derpy owl. Definitely got him. And this beautiful Moroccan vase. Yep, got that one too. This thrift store is interesting because it doesn't have all the gross garbage that a lot of thrift stores have. It's just all really cool stuff and for really cheap. So you just can't go wrong here. This is a honeypot for sure. Okay, so I obviously saw these birds while I was filming, but why didn't I buy them? I don't know. I did grab this Brazilian vase, which is super cool, but I'm still kind of bummed I didn't get those birds. Okay, spoiler alert, I did buy this little tiny Tonala pottery vase for $3, and I have to tell you, it's one of my favorite things I've ever bought. It sits in my kitchen window with a little air plant in the top, and I look at it almost every day, and I love it so much. Is this lizard thing not amazing? And it was only $5. I think Sarah might have bought it. I can't remember now, though. That's Sarah playing with that fun little toy. I grabbed these, and let me tell you, it was not fun carrying those around for the rest of the time. Their outdoor section was just as amazing as the inside. Can I call this my she shed, please? Oh my goodness. I'm a complete maximalist, and this to me is just pure joy. I really toyed with getting that twig wall hanging for $25, but I passed, and it was a hard thing to do. So here's my haul from today. I found at the Village Merchant this really beautiful vase. It's hand carved, and I think it's made in Brazil, and I got it for $5. I found this, I believe, is Tonala pottery, made in Mexico, and it was $3, little vase. This darling little glass owl was $5. This pottery vase I thought was really neat, and it was $12. This vase I got that's handmade in Morocco, and it was it's $4. I found this picture frame for $5. I didn't know it at the time of this video, but I plan to take this picture and put it in that picture frame of me at the Grateful Dead house at 710 Ashbury Street in San Francisco. That was a monumentous trip that I just made, being an agoraphobic, and I did it. I got out of the state. I haven't been out of the state since 2016. Anyway, on to the regularly scheduled programming. This bird, I haven't figured out if it's Murano glass or not. His beak is tiny bit chipped, but he's still very neat. He was $16, so I did pay up for that, but I'm hoping I can put him in my space and get, I don't know, maybe $50, maybe $30. I found this pillow, and it really matches the colors of my decor, and it was $12. I'll probably end up keeping it. And then these are really big and fun now. They were $6 each, and I couldn't pass them up. I'll put them in my antique space. From the pop-up, oh my gosh, that was so amazing. That was so amazing. I got this 1900s shelf, and the lady who was selling it said that she got it at an estate sale. It was a living estate sale. And the woman was 72 years old, and this was her grandmother's. I thought that was really nice. I like to have the backstory on things. Found this tree of life, and I paid $42. The shelf was $32, by the way. This pillow was $10, and it's made from an old rug. So it's not the most comfortable, but it's definitely cool looking. So I'll put it on my couch or sell it. I'm not sure. And then this beautiful needlepoint I got from Andi from All Put Together. I paid $28 for it, and I just really think that it also, the colors go with my decor, and I just love the geometric pattern of it. So this is a keeper for me. Well, there's my haul from today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you liked it, maybe you can give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of this content, maybe you could subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed to my channel, I so appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.